So these are the new 1020G Unicorn style. They're a beautiful boot, very new, so I'm very excited to be showing you them today. Hi everyone, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. I'm back and we get to do some more reviews, so I'm super excited. Today we'll be looking at some more of the pleasers in my favourite little box, as you guys know. And we're going to spice it up and do some boots today, so I'm very excited because I do boots a fair bit, but I've had a little bit of a break from them recently. Now, they have a lot of packaging, which means they're going to be probably very pretty. They open up like this. And these are called a unicorn style, so I'll actually show you the little code just here. And they are a UNICORN-1020G. Yep, 1020G, and these are actually a size 8. So I normally model a size 7, but we didn't have any 7s because these are quite rare to get our hands on. But just take a look at these. They're so pretty. You've got this nice galaxy base just here with all the pretty sparkles. And then you've got like a rose gold style purpley pinky colour up the boot. Have a look here. And then this little heel is actually UV reactive. So in the black lights, black and blue, it will light up. So that's pretty cool. You can take it bowling if you want to. They've got a zipper down the side to undo. A little bit of packaging so your shoe doesn't go all funny on the way to you. I'll just pull this one out. And that's one, and I'll just grab the other one out as well. It's like Christmas time. And here is our other one. And these, as I said, are a 7-inch. Okay. We do have our little grippy bottom. So my favourite part. And then another zip. A bit more packaging. So let's chuck that in there for the minute. There we go. And they slide on just like that. And then the zipper does up like that. I'll just pop the other one on as well. I can't wait to show you in the sun, they're going to be so bright. Zips up just like this. And there we have them. Take you for a little walk. I haven't worn boots in ages. They do get very supportive on the back of your ankle, so hopefully, fingers crossed, there's no falling, but it is much easier to walk in. Very sparkly. I'll show you a little side view. Actually, whilst I'm here, I might tie my shoelace so there's no tripping over. So how cool are these? Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click on the little bell in the corner if you want to be notified for all of our latest videos. And how about let's go for a trip outside? It is so bright out here today. Nice warm. Welcome to Queensland. They are so sparkly. What's the weather like where you guys are? Is it a bit warm like this? It's only meant to be spring. At least there's a little breeze. Walk this way. How pretty is the unicorn part? Oh my goodness. So sparkly. I love all glitter and all sparkles. And pink. And guys, also don't forget about our community tab. If you go to the homepage, you'll see our community tile. Click on that and you'll see all the behind the scenes. You'll also find all of our model Instagram page. So give us a follow and give us some love. Also, let me know what you thought about my boots, because I don't do them very often. If you want to see some more, let me know. They unzip like this. They come off like that. Nice and easy. Oopsie-days. Better stand there, Mum. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.